What's going on YouTube? So today I'm gonna try to make a incognito outdoor TV mount. Now this is kind of a rush job. This is not gonna be perfect. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, nice day out. I said, why don't we watch TV outside, watch the game outside, right? But I don't have a mount. So I decided to make this mount here. I didn't wanna just make something that I would have to disassemble once I take the TV back inside. So I wanted to make something that I can just leave outside and it can blend into the landscape. So let's get right into it. So this is some of the stuff I will be using for this project. This is a Minwax dark walnut. I'm not sure if this will work because the wood is pre-treated, so I'm not sure if this will soak into the wood. We'll see. I had some outdoor stain, but I can't find that. I also had these two right here. Let's see if I can use these as decorative pieces. Also, I have a post point that I just picked up at Lowe's right now, and I have this this wall bracket. Now, if you do decide to make this TV mount, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have a certain type of TV bracket, and I'll show you why in a minute. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put a liner in here. The only reason I'm doing this is because I have a hole down here. And I don't want the Quikrete to bleed through. So I'm gonna use one 50-pound bag of Quikrete. Put a little bit at the bottom. Throw this pole right in the middle here. Now all we do is add water. I've had this thing hanging here for who knows how long, and it's just been there. It doesn't really go there. I've been using it as a rack, but this would be perfect for this project here. All right, so let's see if this thing catches. All right, so now I'm gonna add the soil. So I'm gonna put a piece of this potato vine, and hopefully it grows. It's supposed to grow up like a vine. So there it is, pretty much an incognito TV stand. Looks pretty cool. This thing covers this whole back piece right here. I was going to install these pieces right here. It just looks like there's too much going on if I do that. One like that. I don't know, for a later time. But it covers the mount here. May have to change the flowers up a little bit, but that looks pretty good there. So last thing to do is to mount the TV and see if it holds. So now we have the TV. Now the TV is just a regular TV. The cool thing about it, see if I can get that in there. I got it for $16.99 at Goodwill. because it didn't have the stand on it, which I don't need because I'm gonna mount it here. So if this gets messed up in the elements out here, stays out here for whatever reason, I ain't too worried about it because 17 bucks. So we're gonna add the mounting hardware to the TV. It already has the screws here, which is good. All right, so we got the mount all ready to go. All right, so the last thing to do is to get this TV mounted. Let's see here. Boom. We have a TV mount. Perfect, love it. All right, so check out how easy it is to remove. You're done, you wanna take it inside. Just like that. Just like that. Earlier I was saying that you need a certain bracket, a certain mount. You want to get a bracket that has these little teeth back here. So when you mount it, it goes just right on. Yeah, you can secure it back here with these little screws. You go up and it secures it. But if you're just gonna have it out here for the day, a few hours, you don't need to do that. I mean, it's secure on here. The other mounts, you have to actually attach it to the wall. So this one, you don't have to do that. And this mount actually also tilts.